Okay, so now once you're ready to open your files in Design Space from Cricut, you go to your canvas. Yours might look a little bit different because different versions or the way it's set up, but it's always basically the same. You do as you would normally do, you go find your file, and so they should be saved in the folder that you just saved them in. You'll see here we have the 6 SVG files. And I'll show you a few, but it's always the same for all of our patterns. So basically you select it, you upload it. You'll see here all the basically pieces and the lines and the frame. So I'll explain what the frame can do for you. So once you're ready, you upload it to your canvas. And then here's the big black box, which is a little bit unfortunate because it's such a jarring color, I guess, but also a block of color. But basically, Design Space just colors the same inside as what your outside line is. So not to worry. Basically, this is used to resize or to make sure that your pattern is staying the same so that it'll fit together. You see here, the height is what you always have to want to look for. And here it's this size. So you can keep it this size, but make sure that every piece will be at this size. If you want it smaller, you just make it smaller and you do all the same, the 6 files the same size. So once you know your size is okay, then you can go here into your groups. You'll see it's always going to be the same amount of groups. Your frame will always either be at the bottom or at the top, but once you know it's the right size, you can just hide it and it'll show basically the pieces that are underneath. You'll have the same concept with the black color, but that's just your cut lines. Basically, your pieces will be filled in. You can hide them and see what's underneath all the different lines and the numbers underneath, but this is basically set uncut. So this is automatic. It's always ready to go, basic cut. So you don't have to change that. I normally hide it just to show me what the other layers will be or the groups. And then you move up and you'll see your blue lines. So basically those are the ones you want to score. So the blue and the red will be in your pattern. They'll be like the different dotted lines, but the Design Space doesn't keep dotted lines, but I've made them in color so that you know which ones they are. So your blue group will be set to score. And then you'll do the same thing with your red lines, which are also score lines. So you set that to score. You'll see now they change into dotted lines. And then your last group is you can hide it to see what it is, and it'll show you that it's the group of the numbers. So basically this group has to be set to draw because you want to have those numbers on your pieces once you're ready to make it. You can change the draw color depending on if you're going to choose different color pens to something a bit lighter or darker depending on what you want. Let's just pick this for now. So that's it. Now you have basically set all your groups the correct way, and you can attach them as you normally would. You attach everything, and then you're ready to send that to your Cricut machine. So that's basically it for all of our files. It's always going to be the same concept. Let's do another file. So once this is done, you would go and you would upload your second page. You can do all of the files ahead of time and prepare them if you want, or just do them one at a time. Here, I'll just show you the same idea. So here you always see it so nicely, but for some reason when it goes to canvas, it changes a little bit, but it's basically what you have. So let's upload it. And you'll see again you have your big frame and it gets put on the side, not quite sure why, but it stays always the same height. So see here we had the same, I think it was maybe 1146, but that's basically the same. And that's okay, like the one decimal will be okay. So then you have the same idea here. You have all your groups. So your frame, once you know it's good, you can hide it. The first group here is your cut lines. So they're set properly. You just leave them. I will hide them so that you can see the rest of them. Here you have your red score or fold line. So I'll set that to score. And then I'll move to the blue. Here you can see, then I'll put that to score. Now they're all dotted and ready to be scored. And then you have your last group, which is your numbers. And I will put that to pen, and I will make it the same color as I did before. But again, this is your choice. So that's it. You're all ready to go. I'll show the pieces again. That's it. You just attach them and attach, and then you're ready to make it. And this is it. This is all the same thing for all the files. And once you have all of them done, then you'll have your pieces ready to go, and you can use your PDF document of the pattern that will show you exactly which score line or which. There's two types, so you either fold up or fold down. And yeah, there's instructions on there too. Um, I'll show you a little bit afterwards what the pattern looks like, and then you can use that and these pieces to make your paper craft.